What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Deep because this coin right now is forming, in my opinion, really interesting trading setup after a huge pump. So if certain conditions are met, I'm definitely planning to open here some trading position. So if you are interested about the exact trades, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a 15-minute chart. You can see that this coin is really new, and if I am, for example, gonna switch to a 4-hour chart, you can see this coin was launched on a multiple exchanges like 7 days ago, something like that. And from the launch, we are already having here a pump around like 730%, which is absolutely insane. If I will get back to a 15-minute chart, you can see that right now we are forming here this triangle, which is more likely a bullish setup. So I'm watching here two potential setup for opening a long trade. The first one will be valid in case of a breakout and then a support confirmation, and the second one will be valid in case of a fake out, liquidated rip, and then a support confirmation in this important bullish order block. So let's now take a look on the exact both scenarios. Let's start with a breakout setup. As I said, I'm waiting here for a breakout and then support confirmation. The support confirmation here is extremely important if you want to avoid fake outs. The stop loss in this case you want to place somewhere back to this triangle. So let's say, for example, somewhere around here, so the potential stop loss will be like 2.5%, and the last take profit target you want to place in the price discovery phase, because once we will break this current all-time high, we will get into a price discovery phase, which means that historically we don't have here any interesting support or resistances, which means that for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger moves. Of course, some of the profits you want to take under the current all-time high, so under the level 0.0969629. So some of the profits you, for example, want to take around the level 0.09170, then some of the profits slightly above this current all-time high, because there can be a liquidated grab with, let's say, another move down, then some of the profits under 0.1, which will be next important psychological resistance, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio like 10.16, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 7, 6.5, something like that, which is, in my opinion, still really good. Of course, if you want, you can speculate here for a bigger profit, because as I said, this coin is for the past couple of days absolutely bullish. So if you want, you can speculate here for risk reward ratio like 20, something like that. That's definitely up to you, but as I said, take some of the profits under the current all-time high and then move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can't turn your profitable position into a loss. Second setup that I'm currently watching here will be valid in case of a breakdown of this current support of this triangle, because here you can see we have this bullish order block, which is between levels 0.08373 and 0.07833. So if we are gonna retest this area and perhaps there will be a liquidated grab under like all of these previous important lows, then this can be a good long opportunity. So first one will be valid just in case of a breakdown and then a support confirmation in this area, and in this case you want to place the stop loss just under this bullish order block, because if there will be breakdown with the resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down. This setup is definitely more risky, but there is pretty high probability that we are just gonna do a fake out under this resistance of this triangle. Your last take profit targets you can then place again based on the risk reward ratio. So if you want to have, let's say, risk reward ratio around 10, you need to place your, let's say, last take profit target somewhere around these areas. If you want to have, let's say, bigger risk reward ratio, you can place it on the higher levels, but the potential take profit targets can remain exactly the same. So as I said, some of the profits take under the current all-time high, and then you can take the rest of the profits on important psychological resistances. The second long scenario will be valid, as I said, in case of a fake out under these previous lows, and after a fake out there needs to be a support confirmation, so you don't want to buy the fake out itself. The reason why you don't want to buy the fake fakeout itself is that once we will take liquidity under like all of these previous important lows, there will be really big selling pressure, and because of that there will be higher probability that this coin will continue to go down. So that's the main reason why you want to wait here for that pullback up and then a support confirmation. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under the low that we will create during the fakeout, and the entry will be somewhere in this bullish order block after a support confirmation. Your last take profit target, you can then remain exactly the same as with the previous setup. So again, you can aim for risk reward ratio 10, 11, 15, that's definitely up to you. And again, you want to take many take profit targets because then you can manage your position properly. So these were actually the main setups that I'm currently watching here. If I'm gonna switch, for example, on a 30-minute time frame, you can see that we have here like these bullish order blocks, which are also on a 15-minute chart. So if we are gonna retest this area, which should be a dump around like 33%, then yeah, you can use this area also for opening some trading positions on this coin. But if this scenario will be happening, I will be definitely doing another video on this coin, because in my opinion, the potential trades that you can make here are really insane. And if certain condition that I talked about in this video will be met, I'm definitely planning to open here some trading positions. So yeah, if you want to know about the exact trades that I'm taking, not just on this altcoin, but on multiple altcoins, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing those analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. And if you want to know about my YouTube analysis as soon as possible, I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to this YouTube channel. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video till the end, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.